Now, let's get into the main topic. In the following slides, I will present the whole picture of why, what, and how we research on the good, and give our solution from antenna to the cloud. Now, let's look like the where our society is heading to. People are not satisfied with the physical world they see anymore. Augmented reality provided the method to expand the world. Use the virtual image information which has been put to use in a number of fields, including the navigation, medical imaging. As such, virtual information definitely provide even rich experience and a better understanding to environment. The computing is pervasive in our society, with access the base from the for information process and measurement, signaling process, etc. After experiencing the gold year of personal computer, it is coming the year of cloud computing, which bring the computing resource and centralized, virtualized, and more efficient. Another feature of the information society is explosive information, particularly when the social network coming up. Increasing connections follow the rate car law, and the increasing growth follow the rate law. It is the impact that till 2020, the application will be exceed 3 billion. This is certainly explosive the pervasive ICT. Then let's take look at the progress roadmap of the cellular wireless cellular communication. We can see the similar evolution. Are also happening in wireless communication in the past 20 years. The data rate delivered to a user increased more than 100 times. For each generation of cellular system, and reach 100 Mbps in LTE. Moreover, spectrum efficiency as the most important fact for wireless communication was almost double for each generation by introducing a new technique. So, how to deliver the explosive information to user to expand the world? The gap is between establish the communication pipe from antenna to the cloud, and to providing an user gigabit user experience and high dimension quality service or mobile service. What is the most urgent and the key point of providing ICT? Our answer is people capacity. It is impact the paper, the communication paper. It will be increased more than 500 times. Though motivated by WWRF, we propose the single cloud run. It is a no end-to-end solution, can be provided the single platform, single network with a flat architecture. It supports heterogeneous access technology and different interface which can be simple realized. The first feature of the solution to realize the dynamic air interface, dynamic spectrum, it is required to support the broadband antenna as well as broadband IRU, and cut different air interface like the GSM, UMTS, and LTE can flexible selected for access by UE, and the customer side and customer bands, and for individual can provide like this. The second feature is packet radio. Packet radio is being to use the traditional public packet switch network to replace the traditional dedicated fiber optics between RU and DDU. This makes RU deployment easier and more flexible. Two challenges of packet radio remains. Which are the strict synchronization requirement among multiple RU and IQ signal comparison needed in order to reduce the data rate. The third feature is RC platform. The computing and resource and the radio resource are well decoupled. This makes the system upgrade easy. Moreover, compressed blade architecture can save the occupied area, and which can reduce the capex and opex. For example, compared to existing deployment, which RC platform 536 can be deployed within a 100 square meter room during tests in Hangzhou with 30% performance improvement. The fourth feature, powerful cloud computing in baseband to support high transceiver to reach the capacity limited of the cooperative network. We can employ the large-scale joint transmission and joint process, with more information shared at the transmitter. Our researchers show that the throughput of LTE can be doubled by using high transceiver. Moreover, UE can enjoy the fair throughput within in cell edge and cell out without throughput within the coverage area. Then in summary, target system single cloud network have the 5 features: the dynamic interface and dynamic spectrum, packet radio and transceiver, and single multiple radio synergy platform. This can be layered computing infrastructure, local cloud layer, remote cloud layer, and a unified control plane. With propose the single cloud network, we can exciting to the achieve the goal in year 2020. The macro cell reached the rate of 10 Gbps. The macro cell has a rate of 100 Gbps. Each UE has 1 Gbps. Let's look at our prototype work. This is a prototype of the single cloud network. It consists of CD-ROM and a unified control plane, packet transfer network with high transceiver algorithm. Next year, in 2012, we plan to demonstrate the prototyping trial. We worked closely with China Mobile, the CD-ROM baseline prototype delivered in September last year. The commercial deployment of the centralized BBU structure started in September last year, and the research work on the BBU inter-BBU collaboration was also started. A well-done demo in internal workshop with acknowledged by CMCC, high-rank the manager. Okay, I would summarize my speech now. Single cloud network is a solution of pervasive ICT. It is one network, one deployment, one team. I believe it is not a dream, but upcoming reality. Thank you.